Okay, when you're installing the 6R80 f150 shifter and cable, that setup that comes in our center console, there's an adjustment that you can do. Right now I don't have this on a shifter on the other end, so it's easy to see. But what there are is there's little tiny teeth in here that go all the way across. You can hear them. And what that does is it sets exactly where you want it, kind of locks into place, and then you snap this down and it pinches it so it stays in that position. So if your shifter is just slightly, the little red mark is missing the park or the reverse, it's not exactly correct, that's when you just pop this bail up, and then you can adjust this, just fine tune it, basically have it connected on your shifter end, and then just wiggle the shifter and get it like you like it, and then come in here and snap it, and then it stays into place.